In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create custom reports in Hubstaff. Whether you're managing a team, tracking project progress, or keeping tabs on specific performance metrics. Custom reports are invaluable tools that help you understand exactly what's happening. So let's dive in and simplify this process step by step. To begin, you'll want to navigate to the Reports section within Hubstaff. Look to the left sidebar of your dashboard, and there you'll see the Reports tab. Give that a click. You'll be met with a variety of report categories, each designed to provide different insights and information about your team or projects. Understanding these categories is crucial to getting the data you need. Depending on your interests or requirements, you can choose from several categories. For example, if you're interested in analyzing how your team spends their working hours, you might select time and activity. Are you keen on seeing daily summaries? Then daily totals would be your go-to. Work sessions are great if you need insights into productive hours and active work periods, while apps and URLs can provide specifics on applications and websites used during work hours. If financial data is what you're after, expenses and payments will give you comprehensive views of transactions. Similarly, project budgets, shift attendance, and time-off balances offer detailed insights into specific project resources, attendance patterns, and leave records, respectively. Once you've chosen a category, the next step is personalizing your report further. Go ahead and click on the All Members option. From the list, select your name to ensure the report focuses on your activities or responsibilities within the platform. This is particularly important if you're generating a personal report or if there's a specific individual whose data you need to analyze. Now, let's talk about specifying the time frame for your report. This step is crucial as it determines the period the report will cover. Use the calendar option provided to select your desired date range. This flexibility allows you to choose a single day or expand the reporting period across months, depending on your needs. Finally, when you're satisfied with all the selections and settings you've adjusted, it's time to finalize and export your report. You have two options here. You can either click on the download icon to save the report directly to your device, making it easily accessible for offline review, or you can use the send icon. This feature is particularly useful if you need to share